Hey guys, a very warm welcome to Arihant Online Academy. And in this session, we are solving a very important question from compiler design. GATE CS 2015 question number 39 from set 2. Question is, consider the intermediate code given below. This intermediate code is given to us, and further the question dictated that the number of nodes and edges in the control flow graph constructed for the above code respectively are. So we need to calculate the number of nodes and edges in CFG control flow graph for this above code, right? So many students got stuck in this question and in this kind of questions. So focus this solution, and you can also basically till watch this video till end, because I am going to tell you very easiest method to solve such kind of questions in your upcoming all CSIT exams as well, right? So focus here. If you will see this intermediate code 1, I equals to 1, it is somewhat declaration, right? Leader of the CFG. J is also the same kind of thing. And if you will observe that from statement 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, they are generally the conditional checker statements, right? Means simply you can say that if we have to do this thing again and again, we will evaluate something from here. And if we find the value of j is less than 5, means something like conditional checker, then we need to go to 3. But if it is false, we will go to 10. And after that, again, conditional checker is there, means if it is true, go to 2 else, and end explicitly, right? So if we explicitly start the intermediate code and will end that, then follow this method, right? Suppose this one is there, means I equals to 1 declaration is there, then 2 is there, okay? So basically you can see it like this, okay? You can see it like this, okay? Now we have one more thing we need, okay? So we will go from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, but 3 to 8 are basically evaluation. After that, we will go to 9. 9 is basically conditional checker, so betterly we can write like this, right? 9. If we find it true, we will go to 3. Else, we will go to 10. And after that, we have 11. It is again conditional checker. So betterly we can make it like this, right? If we find it true, we will go to 2. If it is true, means if it is true, then we will go to 2, right? Else, we will end it, right? So you can see here, number of nodes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so number of nodes are 6, and number of edges, this is the edge, okay, right? This is the edge 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is 5. This is 6th, and this is 7, right? So we have edges, total 7 edges, right? So if you will match the option 6 and 7, that is option B is the correct answer for this guide. Okay. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Press the bell icon button so that upcoming solutions and important updates will be instantly get on your device. And guys, stay tuned with us. Thank you so much. Have a very nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.